The solution to this example, first step, turn this into a table. So we've highlighted it quickly. We're going to say insert table, check that it's correct, check we've got headers. So that's the first part. Second part is you can create a chart either on your own, or you're going to use this one that's already created. I'm going to go to insert and use the slicer option. In this case, we're going to use the issuing mission as our slicer. I'm just going to put that there so it's easy to see. So what you now have is it showing you all the unique items here. The chart is linked to everything. If I say Brussels, notice that this changes and there's only one Brussels. If I say London, it now shows me all the items that relate to London, New York, etc.